Looking for a fun and nutritious activity to do with your kids? Try making homemade strawberry yogurt parfaits. It's a fantastic way to get them involved in the kitchen and enjoy a healthy treat. Here's a simple recipe that's perfect for little chefs. Ingredients: 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt, 1 cup of fresh strawberries, 1/2 cup of granola, 2 tablespoons of honey, and a handful of fresh mint leaves for garnish. Instructions: 1. Start by washing the strawberries thoroughly. Once clean, let your kids help you hull and slice them into small pieces. 2. In a medium-sized bowl, mix the Greek yogurt with honey until well combined. This adds a touch of sweetness that kids love. 3. Set up a parfait making station with all the ingredients laid out in separate bowls. This makes it easy for the kids to assemble their own parfaits. 4. Let each child start by spooning a layer of yogurt into the bottom of their cup or bowl. 5. Next, add a layer of sliced strawberries on top of the yogurt, followed by a sprinkle of granola for some crunch. 6. Repeat the layers until the container is almost full, ending with a layer of yogurt. 7. Garnish the top with a few strawberry slices, a sprinkle of granola, and a fresh mint leaf. 8. Serve immediately and enjoy. This recipe not only creates a delicious snack, but also provides a great opportunity for children to practice measuring, mixing, and layering skills. Happy cooking!